Our black seed oil is life in a gold can. Studies have shown with proper dosage, daily use, improved diet, and consistency, black seed oil can improve many conditions without any known side effects. Here's a list of effective ways to use our black seed oil. For diabetes, take a half a teaspoon twice a day. For high blood pressure, take 1 to 2 teaspoons of black seed oil with a hot beverage and 2 garlic cloves in the morning. For asthma, add 1 teaspoon to vaporizer and 1 teaspoon by mouth. For allergies, take 1 teaspoon for every 4 pounds 3 times a day. For the cold or acute sinusitis, take 1 teaspoon of black seed oil 3 times a day. For cough, take 1 teaspoon 3 times a day and rub black seed oil on the chest. For an earache, half a teaspoon of black seed oil and half a teaspoon of olive oil warmed and dripped into the affected. Cover with cloth. For headaches, take a half a teaspoon of black seed oil 3 times a day with food. Rub the black seed oil on the side of the head and near the ears. For anxiety, take a half a teaspoon with warm tea. For acne, wash and apply topically to the affected area. For hair loss, apply lemon juice to the scalp. Then, half teaspoon, 1 teaspoon of black seed oil for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse. For bruises, arthritis, and muscle soreness, take 1 teaspoon of black seed oil and 1 teaspoon of olive oil 3 times a day. For an upset stomach, add 1 teaspoon of black seed oil to mint tea with lemon 3 times a day. For colic, massage the abdomen with warm black seed oil. For opiate addiction, take 1/10 teaspoons 3 times a day for 12 days. For foot fungus, wipe affected area with apple cider vinegar, and then with our black seed oil 3 times a day. To get our brand of black seed oil only in the gold can, visit online at prettykittyboutique.net. Don't forget to like and subscribe.